Fire code compliance can be challenging. Building owners and property managers are responsible to ensure that all required checks, tests, inspections, and ongoing maintenance activities are performed, while also maintaining organized records. Introducing Compliance Connect, Fire Code Compliance Simplified. Compliance Connect consists of 4 key elements: document, notify, track, and audit. A secure, cloud-based, user-friendly interface for storing critical life safety documents. Reminders and notifications for upcoming or past due maintenance tasks. Comprehensive statistics for a single building or an entire portfolio. The review of your records and recommendations by LRI to assist you in meeting your compliance goals. A thorough compliance history will reduce risk and demonstrate your commitment to compliance to prospective tenants, authorities having jurisdiction, insurers, and for building certifications. LRI is a Canadian engineering firm and specializes in building code and accessibility consulting, fire protection engineering and system design, fire and life safety plans and programs, and fire code auditing services for compliance. For more information about Compliance Connect and how LRI can help you, email complianceconnect@lrifire.com, visit our website, follow us on social media, or call us today.